الله وبركاته. Iyas al-Qadi. Al-Qadi means judge, Judge. Iyas, he was a famous judge of 7th century during the period of Umayyad Khilafah. Kana was Iyas ibn Muawiyah was a Qadiyan, he was a Qadi, Judge Zakiyan, an intelligent, clever, 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 smart judge. حل, he solved كثيرا, a lot, من المشكلات, a lot of problems, he solved many problems بأسلوب بسيط, through a simple way, okay, very easily. بأسلوب means way, um, بسيط means simple, that means he solved many problems very easily, okay. اشتهر بذلك, and he was famous for that. اشتهر, he was reputed for this talent to solve any problem very easily. بذلك means for that, for the talent. وذات يوم means one day. حضر, came. Who came? إليه رجل, a man came. يشكو, and he complained. أحد التجار, one of the businessmen. تاجر, it's businessman, one businessman. تجار means many. So one of the businessmen complained him. The businessman told, Ya Sayyidi, O master, Al-Qadi, O judge, لقد استودعت, I gave some money. هذا الرجل means this man. مالا كثيرا, I gave a lot of money. I entrusted, 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 or I deposited, deposited, I gave a lot of money to this man. وخرجت في رحلة لي, then after giving a lot of money, في رحلة لي, I went for a long journey. I went somewhere for a long journey. فلما عدت, when I came back. عدت means when I came back. أنكر, he refused. That businessman refused أنه أخذ هذا المال. He refused that, he told that he didn't take the money from me. He refused to give me. He said that, no, I didn't take any money from you. Why are you asking for money? فانظر ماذا ترى. So now, please do whatever you want to do. Please do something for this. فانظر, what do you think? ماذا ترى? What is your opinion on this? He is betraying. He is a betrayer. The businessman is a betrayer. قال إياس للشاكي. Then the Qadi, judge, told the complainer who complained, the person, the man, وأين كنتما? He asked, where were you? Where were you? W-E-R-E. Where have you been? عندما, when أعطيته المال, when you gave him money. At that time, which place you have been? You both have been. Where, in which place you gave him money? The Shaki replied, the man replied, كنا عند شجرة, we were at a tree. We were at a tree. في الصحراء, in the desert. Okay, Sahara means desert, D-E-S-E-R-T. So when I was giving him money, we were very close to one of the trees in the desert. قال إياس للتاجر. Then Iyas, the judge, asked the businessman, هل صحيح? Is it true? ما يقوله الرجل, whatever this man is telling is true. Then the businessman who took money, he said, لا يا سيدي القاضي, no, master, no, judge, ما أخذت منه مالا, I didn't take منه مالا, I didn't take any money from him. ولا رأيت, and I didn't see هذه الشجرة في حياتي, I didn't see this tree, never in my life, I never saw this tree in my life. What is he talking about? قال إياس للشاكي. Then Iyas told للشاكي, to the complainer, the person who complained, okay, as you are complaining that you gave him money, now اذهب, you go إلى هذه الشجرة, إلى, you go to that tree, you go to that tree. فلعل الله, maybe, probably, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala يوضح لك, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will solve your problem. هناك حق. Maybe uh, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will show you the path. Maybe He will return you your money. يوضح وضح يوضح means making something clear. Like هناك حق. حق means money here. Okay, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will clear everything, clear every problem, all the problem. You go to that tree now. فإما either أنك لا تقول الحق. This could be happen that فإما either. إما means either, EITHER, either أنك that لا تقول الحق, you are not telling the truth, or وإما أنك دفنت, or you buried. دفن الفينو means buried, BURIED, buried the money عند الشجرة, under the tree. ونسيت, you forgot. There could be two options. One, maybe you are not telling the truth, you are lying, or you put the money under the tree, you dafanta, you buried the money under the tree and you forgot. So now go to the tree. Go to the tree. خرج الشاكي, the complainer, came out of the house. وقال إياس للتاجر. Then Iyas told the businessman, اجلس هنا, you sit down here. Okay, the judge told the businessman, اجلس, you sit down هنا, here, حتى, until يعود صاحبك, until this man comes back, until the man comes back from the tree. فلعله, maybe يجد ماله, maybe he will find his money. فأحكم لك بالبراءة, then I will uh, judge you. uh, I will judge you as an innocent. I will judge you as an innocent. You do not have you are not a culprit. Okay, blameless, بالبراءة, innocent, blameless, you do not have any blame. Okay, جلس الرجل, then the man sat next to the judge. وأخذ, on the other hand, أخذ, started, yes, the judge started, ينظر, started looking at في قضايا الناس, to look at the problem of other people. All right, he asked the uh, businessman sit down there, and he started looking, he started talking to other people about their problem. وكأنه, as if, وكأن, as if نسي القاضي كلها, as if he forgot, the qadi forgot everything about uh, the problem between the businessman and the man. Okay, he gave full of his attention to the problem of other people, the judge. حتى إذا مرت فترة من الوقت, long time went by. مرت فترة means a long period of time, went by, gone. التفت, looked at. التفت إلى التاجر, then the judge, yes, looked at the businessman. Okay, فجأة, all of a sudden, he looked at the businessman. وقال له, uh, okay, وقال له, then he told the businessman, yes, told the businessman, هل ترى, do you think, صاحبك, that man, وقد وصل إلى الشجرة الآن, do you think that that man already arrived or reached the place of the tree? What do you think? Do you think he has already went there? He already arrived the tree, the place of the tree? رد الرجل, then the man replied, the businessman replied, لا, no. إنها بعيدة, definitely it's too away, it's far away. Okay, he will not be able to reach uh, in this short amount of time. إنها بعيدة, that tree is long, too away, far away. فقال إياس, then Iyas started shouting and told him, يا عدو الله, يا enemy of Allah, O enemy of Allah, أنت خائن, you are the betrayer. You are the betrayer. 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 You said that you never saw the tree in your life, and you are telling me that this man did not arrive at the place of the tree yet. How did you know that? How do you know that the tree is this away? Okay. والرجل استودع, definitely the man, that man استودعك, gave you, entrusted you المال, entrusted you money عند الشجرة, at the place of the tree. اضطرب الرجل, اضطرب الرجل, he became really, he started trembling. اضطرب means trembling, trembling, trembling. um, okay, he started saying that Naam, yes, yes, innani mudhnib, yes, I am the culprit, I am the culprit, culprit, I am the perpetrator, 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 yes, I am the perpetrator, I am the culprit, I am the sinful person. ولكن, but احفظ سري, but don't tell this secret to anyone, please. احفظ, save this secret. Sirri means secret. يحفظك Allah, Allah will also help you, Allah will also save your secret. Okay, who told this? Businessman told this to the judge. أشار, yes, yes. أشار pointed or ordered, yes, إلى رجال شرطته. Then the judge what? Ordered the police. These are the police, I mean the guard. Ordered the guard to prison him, or amarahum, and he asked them, the judge asked them, أن يقبضوا, قبض يقبض mean arrest, 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 arresting. He asked them, as the police, as the cops, as the guards, to arrest them, arrest him, or to imprison him, to put him in the prison, ala tijar, okay, to put the businessman into the prison. ولا يتركوه, and he also asked the police, as the guard, to not leave him, يغادر مكانه, to not make him leave his place. Okay, he should not be get out of the prison until that man come from that tree, from the desert. ومضى, then sometimes went by, يصرف شؤون القاضي, شؤون القضاء, and many times went by with the issues of other people problem. Okay, وبعد فترة طويلة, after a long period, after a long time, عاد الرجل, the man came back, returned, مرهقا, being exhausted and tired. مرهقا means exhausted, متعب means tired, exhausted, exhausted, exhausting and tired. فقال له إياس, then he told إياس, the man told إياس, أوجدت فقال إياس told the man, أوجدت مالك, did you find your money, did you find? أجاب الرجل, then the man told, then the man told what he told. Sorry, some message came. لا يا سيدي, no, oh my master, لقد ذهبت إلى مكان الشجرة, I went to the place of the tree, فتذكرت, and I remembered أنني, that أعطيت, I gave money هذا الرجل, I gave money to this man. مالي means my money, I gave my money to this man. لا شك, there is no doubt في ذلك, on that, there is no doubt on that. فقال إياس, then Iyas told, صدقت, you are true, you are true. وقد اعترف هذا الرجل, this man acknowledged. اعترف, يعترف means acknowledge, ACKNOLEDGE, acknowledged. This businessman acknowledged that he took the money from you. بذنبه, he acknowledged about his sin. Okay, فخذ حقك منه, now take your right from this man. خذ means take, حقك means your money or right. Okay, RIGHT, right. منه, now take your right from him, take your money from him. ورد التاجر المال, then the businessman returned the money to the man. وحقت عليه العقوبة, and the punishment was implemented. He was punished for that. He was punished for this sinful activity, for lying. All right, he was punished for lying. حقت عليه العقوبة. العقوبة means punishment. The punishment was implemented. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.